We are here again with Sandeep. What's up, bro?
It's all good, man.
So, a week ago, now it's been 2 weeks actually for the video, but he installed the pod light. I think they came with the bracket, goes right there. He did a very nice job on those, and he bought what did he get? The wiring with the switch. Okay, so here I'll show you guys. I'll take you guys along. We run the wire through the firewall down here. It's nice and taut. The relay is here, and the connection on with the battery. So we run it. We try to keep it as OE and clean as possible. Here is the switch right there. This one is gonna light up green, should be. And this goes here. We had to trim behind here, as you guys can see. We had to trim behind there to make it cleaner here, but that should be in. So now we are finishing up the wiring here because it was way too short. So this will go on the firewall right there. We're gonna zip tie it, and we are extending this thing to join here because it's way too short. So we are almost done. We just need to wire this from here to there, and we should be good to go. So we are like 10 minutes away or 20 minutes away to get this thing done nice and clean. So I'm gonna use the solder gun to make a good connection later on and wrap it. This still has to go here and here, dude. So I need to cut this much again. This much again. There we go. Alright, I'll take you guys along when I'm using my solder gun, but for now we are good here. I go the old school way because I forgot my wires, what's that, wire stripper in the car at home. So it's pretty straightforward, but took me over an hour to what's that again, to make that connection nice with the switch. Right, let's get the solder gun here. Here it is. That's good enough. You gotta heat the wire first and then you melt this, otherwise it's not gonna stay. There we go. That's good enough. We'll tighten it at the end because you gotta adjust it.
Yep.
Shit, I gotta jump in your car here. Do you have a lift on your truck? Like 2-inch lift?
Yeah.
No?
It's
There
a
is, huh?
lift, I think. 3 inch, I think.
What's that? Oh, maybe it's the alarm. No?
I don't know. What was that?
There it is. Looks so good. I think you need to move it up a little bit. Or maybe it's fine at night.
Yeah.
Now it's on, guys.
Yeah, I just
The
don't want to make
switch.
it up and then blind anyone.
Yeah, I feel you.
And let's see that. We turn it on. The other one, the back ones.
This one?
Yeah, yeah. Now, one more. Yep, works.
We got the light. Let's get out of here. We are done. Perfect. Clean up the tools. That was a good 2.5 hour project, guys. Turn it on again. Let's see what happened. Ah, it should be perfect, man. Yeah, both the lights. They look so good, man. Love it. Alright, project done. Hands a little dirty, but it's good.